Hi guys, kumusta na po kayo? Papunta sana kami sa dentista ngayon kasi may appointment ako. Pero nung nasa pinto na kami, biglang tumawag sa akin at cancel daw. Sa Tuesday na lang daw kasi hindi pa dumadating yung pustiso ko. Grabe. Kaya eto, magdi-detour kami dun sa bilihan ng mga ano ba tinda doon? Yung mga bilihan. Where are we going?
Well, we're going somewhere very unusual.
No, you
Go
said
shopping. I've got a call. Hello?
Hello, it's me again from Princess Alexandra Hospital.
Hello there.
I got the
tumawag naman po yung kanyang doktor. Alam nyo ba na patong-patong yung mga problema namin sa health? Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Pagka matanda na po, ganyan talaga. Umpisahan sa paa. Meron akong gustong ipa-opera sa paa ko, yung bunions ko. Pero parang late na. Dapat nung bata pa ako, tsaka ko inasikaso yun. Kaya lang, may bayad sa atin eh. Eh dito, nung dumating ako dito, medyo may edad na ako. Although wala akong babayaran, kaya wag na lang yun. So sa tuhod naman, medyo sumasakit na po yung tuhod ko pagka naglalakad ako ng malayo. Ayun, tapos pataas yung balakang ko. Pagka umuupo ako sa arenola, medyo sumasakit na po yung balakang ko. Taas ng konti sa tiyan. Minsan po nagkakaroon ako ng ano ba yun, yung hangin sa loob, lalo pag kumakain ako ng kamote. Bandang taas naman yung boobs ko po, hindi ko na binabrahan, kaya ang nangyayari, lumalaylay na. Eh ba't naman magbabra, nasa bahay lang, diba? Pataas ng konti. Balikat. Meron po akong frozen shoulders. Minsan nawawala, minsan nandyan. Medyo taas ng konti. Yung leg ko po nagiging turkey neck na.
Is that disabled? Or not? No, it's not really.
Kaya naglalagay po ako nito. Kasi po tinatry ko na ipitin na ganon at itago. Kasi po hindi natin masabi, baka sa Christmas ay i-roast na ako. Pataas naman ito yung ngipin ko po. Yung pustiso ko po may problema. Yun nga, kinancel nung dentista kanina yung appointment ko at hindi pa raw tapos yung pinapagawa kong pustiso dito sa baba.
Okay. Very good.
Pataas ng konti.
Sit there.
Yung ilong ko po naayos ko na. Yung mata ko po kompleto na ang cataract surgery. Ano pa?
Going. Yeah, I think he is.
yung pong skin ko, naayos ko na rin. Naglilinis ako ng Eskinol tuwing gabi. Sa buhok naman, ito po, tinatakpan ko yung panot ko. Kasi po, numinipis na yung buhok ko. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit. Siguro dahil sa katandaan, ganon. Ano pa? May itataas pa ba to? Meron po akong mga split ends. Baka may nakalimutan pa tayo ha.
Come on, mate, shut your door and go.
There's one there in your
No,
front.
it's too small.
No, it's...
I saw a small car come out of there. It's too small. This won't be better. He's going in a minute.
Kaya ayan po. Go with the flow na lang sa pagtanda. How about you?
Sorry?
What is your problem with your body and soul from
full.
head to foot?
Head to foot, I'm falling apart. Completely.
No, from head, you have no problem with your falling hair. Your hair is still intact.
My hair is still intact.
Yeah. You have full hair, although you don't deserve that. Your nose is still there. You have no problem. Oh, nakalimutan ko may sinus pala ako. Kailangan ko ng spray pagkagabi. Mamaya na natin siya tanungin kung ano mga problema niya. Kasi nasabi ko na sa inyo sa akin, di ba? Pupunta po kami dun sa bilihan ng kanyang glue para sa kanyang pustiso.
That's better. That's better.
Tara po. May tricycle. Habulin natin. Allah. Are you allowed here? So meron din po akong problema sa aking diet. Dahil pagka kumain ako ng isang bowl na kanin, isang bowl lang naman, ay lumalaki po ang mukha ko. Hindi ko po malaman kung bakit. Kaya umiiwas po ako sa kanin. Kung napapansin niyo po ay hindi ako nagsasaing. Ini-imagine ko na lang na may kanin. Ayan po, lakad-lakad muna tayo. At sumagap ng sariwang hangin. Are you going back later to the car? I'm going here, yeah? See you later in the car. Hello.
You okay?
I'm fine. I want to make an appointment haircut
Of course, when you want to
with
come.
Dennis.
Me, Dennis. Would you like some
I
coffee?
saw your reviews. Your customers are always saying Dennis, Dennis, Dennis.
Oh, thank
I said I'm gonna make an appointment with Dennis.
Of course, when you want to come.
I want to come as early as possible.
Now?
No, you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come. This is crazy.
Thank you very much. Can I put it in my vlog?
Oh, yeah, of course,
I'm
of course.
vlogging, you know, so that my friends can come here and look for you.
Oh, yes. How are we gonna cut today?
Only, you know, like here.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, just straight.
Of course, and do you want little bit layers? Because I see your front little bit.
Yeah, so
If
that
we
I
cut
can do
more-
like this sometimes, you know, like that.
Exactly. Yep.
You know, I colored it with bleach
I see.
last year, and I fried it, so I cut it very short. And from then, I didn't cut it just now after a year.
And now I'm touching your hand.
Yes. And I'm so lucky to do it.
Where are you from, Dad?
Excuse me.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Next year I'm gonna go to Boracay.
Wow.
I love Asia.
It's a paradise there.
Oh, she's the one. Oh, yeah, better. Yeah. You looks like blonde,
Yeah.
blonde looking.
Very nice.
He's much better like that. Like, add more volume on your hair.
Yeah.
And we got something we can do, like, you know, today is quite hot weather.
Yes, I like that. I like that style.
Yeah,
It covers also my puffy face.
exactly. And then you have lovely layers. You see, 10 years more younger.
Yeah. I'm gonna surprise my husband. He's waiting in the car. He didn't know that I'm coming here and have a haircut.
Now it's gonna be a surprise to him.
Very nice. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ayan po guys. Punta na kayo dito, The Stylers in Waltham Cross. Look for Dennis.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
$25, please.
Thank you.
Very much. So lovely.
Where's Dennis?
Dennis, wash basin.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very
darling.
much.
Have a great day.
See you again next time.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Come after 2 months.
Okay.
Okay.
So lovely. Which
Yes. Yes. Biglaan ah. What can you say, guys? At syempre, saan po ang tuloy pagkatapos magpagupit? Dito. Ito. Palaman sa tinapay. 250 lang. Hindi pa po nakikita ni Grandad. Sabi niya, wag ko daw paputol kasi I look pretty and sultry. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng sultry? Bolero, no? I like this. Yan po, tingnan natin yung reaction ni Grandad sa aking hairstyle. Honey,
Yeah.
look at me.
Yeah.
Do you notice something? Take off your eyeglasses.
I can't. The light's too bright.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Don't you notice
Yeah,
something?
you had your hair done. You had it trimmed.
Yeah.
How much did they charge you for that?
25 pounds.
How much? How much it costs to have mine done?
Come on. You're so tight like
£8.
Jerry.
£8 it costs to have mine done. Why do they always charge a lot to cut women's hair, yet not so much to cut men's hair? Hang on, I've got bogey.
Ayan guys.
You look beautiful.
Again.
You look beautiful, honey. With your posh haircut
Thank you.
and a little bit sticking out at the top there.
Where?
Just there.
Oh, that's my baby hair. Leave it alone. Siguro sabi ni Dennis, ang nipis. Dito lang naman manipis. Pero makapal dito. Kaya pagka kalbo ko, meron akong upaw dito. Dito may konting buhok. Parang si San Pedro.